Built to outperform the competition, a non-abrasive heavy-duty 4-inch magnet ensures that once the antenna is placed, it will stay there as long as you need it to. Easy install on any vehicle. Securely install on the roof or trunk of any vehicle and enjoy quality signal reception. Feel confident in your ability to communicate clearly with other drivers on the road. The ultimate recreational magnet mount antenna. Ideal for trucks, SUVs, and recreational vehicles. This antenna will stay on when you need it, but is completely removable when not in use. 15 feet of matched-braided coaxial cable to attach to any CB or 10-meter radio RF PL259 connector. Works with all CB 10-meter radios. 100-watt rating with broad-banded frequency of 26 to 30 MHz and weather channel ready. Top reviews from the United States. Works, required ferrite beads. This is among the smallest CB antennas on the market. There is a performance trade-off that comes with the smaller size. Set your expectations accordingly. Mine was tuned perfectly out of the box, but it picked up so much noise from the electronics in my car that it was unusable with the engine running. The stereo speakers also buzzed whenever I transmitted. I placed 3 snap-on ferrite beads spaced along the length of the coax, and a 4th larger one with a couple loops in it near the radio. After placing the beads, the noise was significantly reduced, the speaker buzzing stopped, and other stations were able to hear me. Not bad.